Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Add label to the surface. How to add label to your surface? Click on the surface and on the left upper corner you can see add label. There are two places from where you can add different kind of label like slope, spot elevation, earth elevation and grid from here, and from add surface label from there. Select surface, select the type of label you want, uh, change the label and then add, and it will appear. Sometimes the label is up, so your label will not appear. So from there add label, surface label, you can change the you should turn on the label style. Okay, if I want to check the slope of the point, click on any place and it will show you the slope of the point. Click here, go to the spot the slope. I change the spot elevation. Any place you want to check the spot elevation, click there and it will show you spot elevation on grid. If I want to change check all surface level, click on the left base and select the base point. I will click here, then I will write 10 meter x and y and select the upper corner, and then it's asking you want to change the size. No, click OK. Now change the size from here, the scale, and you can see now it's all surface are spotted elevation. How I give it's 10 meter on the x-axis and 10 meter on the y-axis. Like this you can spot elevation on grid. Okay. Contour on single, if you click it will not appear because the label of the contour is set to no display. So if you will click anywhere it will not display. For the from here, sometime if you will try it will not appear your contour style. The reason I will show you from the add surface table, because sometimes the label is set on no display. Okay, click again, contour multiple style. How many contour line you will select it, the label will appear here. The contour elevation in contour multiple at interval, you will give interval, how much interval you need the elevation. Suppose by default it is 100 and I will click enter, and you can see all the surface the contour level are appear on the same interval. Okay, this was the first place. From here you can add level to your surface. Now I will go back, Ctrl Z to undo all levels, and then click on the surface, go to add levels surface, click on here, select surface, select, and from here slope level tab and click add 1 point or 2 point. And if you see you spot elevation, click add. If marker style is none, then no marker style will appear. From here you can assign marker style to your font. The spot elevation same like the contour. Before it was not appearing because from here the contour level was none. So if I turn contour level on and I single click, it will appear now. before it was not appearing. Same like the multiple contour. If I will select multiple contour line and style and add, the label will appear. How many contour I will select, the label appear. Same contour at multiple interval, select any style and then click add. From outside to the end, click right click, change the interval and then click enter. If your surface is big surface, so it will take time. So you can see all the contour line are labeled now. Like this you can add label to your surface, and from here you can change the scale. Okay, thank you.